Hi everybody, welcome to Peach Betty. My name is Morgan and this is my son, Sullivan. Today we are making pumpkin whoopie pies. We do Facebook Live videos every Thursday at 6 o'clock. And this past one, we did pumpkin cookies. And I had some leftover pumpkin, so I thought, why not make some pumpkin whoopie pies? To start these off, we have pumpkin, sugar, butter, and some oil in a bowl. And then we have our dry ingredients that we're gonna hold off on for right now. First, we need to cream all of our wet ingredients. Squish, 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 that's not the greatest noise. We gotta mash up our butter, it's nice and soft, everything is room temperature. That way it all mixes evenly. So we have creamed together all of our wet ingredients, and now it is time to add our egg. One egg. We're gonna crack it right into the bowl. Not on the floor. Oh, there we go. Okay, we do this. Ready? Ooh. Whisk it, whisk it, whisk it. So Whoopie Pies are like a big cupcake sandwich. I think they're way better than cupcakes because you get frosting in every bite. You want to pour in the milk? Yeah. The batter is different from cupcakes because you notice there's not a lot of butter in this, and that's so they can stand alone on the tray. Now that all of our egg and our milk are mixed in, we're gonna add our dry ingredients here. So we have all-purpose flour, we have baking powder, salt, cloves, ginger, cinnamon. We're gonna sift it all into the bowl now. Can you pour it into the sieve? Ready? Yeah. Sprinkle it in.
Snowing.
It's snowing. We're sifting it so we don't have any lumps. Mm-hmm.
Snowing.
Stir it all together. And I'm okay with using the whisk to make sure that it is completely lump-free. We're not bathing in it. Mix it all together. Just until it's nice and... There we go. It's nice and smooth and ready to scoop. So we have a baking tray lined with parchment so they come off easily. And we have a little tiny melon baller or ice cream scooper that we're going to use to portion these out. I'm making, wipe that off. We are making bite-sized ones, but they do grow as they bake. So they'll be about double the size of the scoop that you use. How is it? Make sure you flatten each scoop on the side of the bowl so they're all nice and even. Put them on the tray and just drop them on there. One. And we're going to leave them about 2 inches apart. That way they have room to grow.
Cookie. And 4 cookies. 5 cookies. 11 cookies.
And last one.
12 cookies.
Yeah, now that they're all scooped, I'm going to stick them in the freezer just for a couple minutes so they get nice and firm, and then I'm going to stick them in the oven just so they don't completely spread as they bake.
So frosty.
While the Whoopie Pies are chilling and baking, we're going to make a frosting. And this is a cream cheese buttercream that has butter, cream cheese, brown sugar, honey, and powdered sugar. And we're also flavoring it with some ginger. Add our cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
Yeah. So we're going to start by creaming our butter, cream cheese, and brown sugar and honey together in the bowl. That way the brown sugar dissolves and whips up really well. Ready, set, go! Now this is all creamed together, we're going to add some powdered sugar to it to make it nice and sweet and stiffen it up so we can pipe it between our sandwiches. 1,
3,
2, whoop, and mix it up slowly. It is important to scrape down your bowl in between mixing. That way everything is all mixed in. A lot of stuff likes to hang out on the bottom of the bowl. We want this to be nice and smooth.
It's pretty yummy.
And yummy, good. All right, we are all done. You don't want to overmix it because that'll make it too soft. Ooh, I like that a lot. It's kind of like a caramely frosting with that brown sugar, and that ginger makes it really fall flavor. I think that's really good. All right, I'm excited to sandwich this between our cookies. Oh my goodness. We gotta save some for our cakes. This is really good stuff.
It's pretty yummy.
It was pretty yummy. All right, we're going to put this into a piping bag now so we can pipe them in between our cakes. And,
Hey.
and if we don't eat it all.
Mm.
Oh, I liked it a lot. Okay,
Really hot.
they are really hot. These just came out of the oven. They baked at 350 degrees for about 12 minutes. You know that they are done when you can touch them and they spring back up. They don't feel wet and squishy on the inside. So we're gonna let these cool completely before we frost them because we wanna make sure that our frosting doesn't melt and ooze out. So we're gonna stick these in the freezer just to speed things up.
The cookies were done.
Yeah, they're done. They are nice and cold, so now we can fill them.
Now we can eat them.
Mm-hmm. Find two friends that look the same. Pick one for the bottom. Take your bite. All right. Take your filling. Squeeze it just until it's about to the edge. And then we can sandwich them together. Ta-da! Super cute. Or you can just take a bite out of all of them. So now I'm just gonna fill all these guys. Well, now it's time for me to try one. He's already eaten all of two by himself. I'm gonna take a bite with some frosting. This is perfect. If you love a pumpkin pie, these are definitely the flavors that come through. And that's just a perfect little bite. All right. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know by liking or commenting. Subscribe because we do videos every other Sunday. If you like baking videos, I also do live videos every Thursday on Facebook Live, so just look for Peach Betty on Facebook. We'll chat and talk about lots of baking things, and I'll show you more recipes.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.